हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू? दिस इज़ माय यूट्यूब चैनल इंडियन कल्चर and today I am going to derive a formula for lens which is very important from the examination point of view, whether you are in high school or you are studying in 12th. In both exam this formula is very important. Before describing this formula, we have to assume about the lens. We have to some basic knowledge about the lens. What is lens? Actually, lens is nothing but a part of sphere from which it is separated. This is a part of a sphere from which it is to be taken out. And there are two types of lens. First one is convex lens and second one is convex lens. First one is convex lens and second one is concave lens. What is convex lens and what is concave lens? How will we distinguish between them? Those lens whose outer part is polished and interior part is coated with silver bromide. So outer part will work as a reflecting surface. It will be convex lens. While in concave lens, the interior part is polished while outer part is coated with silver bromide. So its interior part is work as a reflecting surface. So it is called concave lens. So this is a convex lens, and this one is principal axis, and here optical center of the lens, and it is optical axis. Now first of all we have to assume an object at a certain distance from the lens, which is object distance और वस्तु की दूरी लेंस से, and denoted by u. Now we have to suppose an object OO dash is placed at a distance u from the lens on the left hand side of the lens. A ray is incident on the lens. It will strike at point A, then reflected, then transmitted to the lens and passing through a point which is called focus point, and the distance of focal point from the optical center is called focal length. So now a second ray start to incident on the lens and it will pass through the optical center and transmitted through the lens. It will intersect at a point I dash. So I dash will be our image. Now, and this distance is called image distance, and this distance will be f, focal length. Now there are two pair of similar triangle are forming. First one is OCO dash and ICI dash. Second one is ACF and I dash IF. So first of all we assume first pair of similar triangle. OO dash upon II dash is equal to it is very necessary to know about how to taken the distance from the lens. All distance is measured from its optical center, and those distance which are measured on the left hand side of the lens is taken to be negative, and those distance which are taken on the right hand side of the lens are taken to be positive. So OO dash upon II dash is equal to minus u upon v. This is our first equation. Now we have to take again second pair of similar triangle ACF and I dash IF. AC upon II dash is equal to f upon v minus f. This is our second equation. As from figure it is very clear that AC is equal to OO dash. So from equation second, OO dash upon II dash is equal to F upon V minus F. This is equation third. Now equating equation 1 and equation third. Now equating equation 1 and equation third. U upon V is equal to F upon V minus F minus UV plus UF बराबर VF. Divide whole equation by UVF. 1 upon F plus 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon U. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. This is general formula for Lensc. So, and it is very important to be asked in board exam as well as in